Happy Saturday. The only thing confirmed app doesn't love me. I took an L on those bad bunnies. Hopefully you did better than me, but that's okay. We'll go over some new pickups I never did individual videos on. We'll also talk about what I picked up from the Fear of God Essentials drop, and Bandgate has been resolved. Like, apparently that's done, so it's not really a scandal anymore. Okay, maybe scandal is too harsh a word, but we know why there may be a gray band and a black band now.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ. It's Saturday morning, and again, I hope your Saturday was better than mine on Confirmed. I took an L on the Bad Bunny blue tint. They happen. They don't feel good, but they happen. Now, I'm grateful to have the back to school pair. I'm still going to try and pick up, I'm still going to try to secure the blue tint pair, but I do have the back to school pair. So like any scorned consumer, I think I'm just going to go ahead and rock that pair today. I am going to the movies for like the 4th time this month in August. This is why I'm also picking up the unlimited pass, because it only makes sense for the amount of times I hit up that theater. I'm gonna go see The Invitation, the last movie I went to go see actually twice in 1 week last week. I saw Beast with Idris Elba, good movie. I also saw The Orphan 2. The twist in there really threw me. Like, I paused as soon as it hit the screen. I looked at my friend, I'm like, are we in the right movie? So bravo to the director and the writers on the twist for Orphan 2 First Kill. If you know the first movie, then of course, like, that twist, you already know it going into the first movie, so they had to do a little bit more to make it interesting, and they do. Like, they break it from being a predictable thriller or horror movie, I should say. So if you are interested, you like those types of movies, hey, I would say go check out Orphan 2. I'll go see The Invitation today, and probably rock my Bad Bunnies just for the fact that, yeah, I didn't get that one. So Bandgate, that's kind of been resolved. If you receive a pair directly from Concepts, the belief is that your band will be gray, but if you get a Orange Lobster from any other retailer, then your band is black, which that makes sense, kind of like the whole special box for Far Out, even though people had a really big problem paying extra, and then what came in the box, and like the fact that they wouldn't really be wearing the things that were in the box. So I don't care where I get the pair from, what retailer, if it's from Concepts, I just want the Orange Lobster. Let's just establish that. I would love to have it. I don't know if I'll get it. Let's talk about some things I already have on hand, because I'm not going to do like separate videos on them. I got another slide in, okay? So this is another St. Morta Flow slide. I got this in the what is it? It's a new, pretty much, it's really close to, it's not almond, I think it's more close to oat that I already have, but because I wear that one a lot, I thought, okay, let me get something that is just super neutral and tan. So I picked up another one of these. Again, they're $49.99, so if you want a pair that you can beat up versus the Fear of God ones, go ahead and do that. I've seen some of you say, hey, I can rock these on the daily, beat them up, but then like for nicer occasions where I actually want to dress it up, I'll just go ahead and rock my California slide. By all means, do that. And maybe, you know what, we'll break from that. I'll cut right into the Fear of God items that I picked up from fall winter 2022. I had to use some self-control. I say that because with Essence, their prices are sometimes, or I should say a lot of times, posted lower than what Fear of God itself will be, or even PacSun. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for these things. That's not always the case, but it was the case this go round. So for example, we know that I picked up the Fear of God California in the coral colorway. So I think that's a site exclusive, only available on fearofgod.com. So I picked up the coral colorway. I went with the size 37, which is one size down from my normal EU size. Now, yes, I've gone 2 sizes down, and if you guys have seen that, that takes manipulation. You have to heat it up and expand the foam for it to fit perfectly in terms of width, and I just said, hey, how about I just get the 37? I'll have a little space and I'll be fine. So the Coral California is on the way. Some of you said your pair already shipped, which is awesome. Mine did not yet, but I didn't expect it to ship until like next week. I'm just going to be real. That's how slow they ship for me usually. So I have the Coral California, then the global drop happened, so hopped on Essence, and Mr. Porter actually dropped before 10 a.m. Eastern on Friday. So if you went to Mr. Porter, you could get a few items, and he ships really, really fast too. I almost picked up the cable knit on Mr. Porter, but it was only available, like the extra small and extra small were already gone. And so he only had a small available. I looked at the size chart for this cable knit. It looks to run really, really big. So I said, you know what? Let me personally just get the extra small, which means I went to Essence when it opened up a little before 10. I picked up the extra small in the coral cable knit. I got my bucket hat. Okay, I was dead serious about that bucket hat. I picked up the bucket hat. I almost picked up the dock shorts. I would have blamed one of my friends because they picked up the dock shorts, but I almost picked up the dock shorts. I like them because I don't think we're gonna get the volley shorts anymore. When you look at how he's moving in terms of design for some of these items, I don't think we'll see volley shorts anymore. I think the dock short has kind of replaced that. I don't think we'll see the traditional nylon track pants anymore that actually have the 3M branding. I don't. So with that being the case, the amber colorway is on sale on Essence right now. They have other colorways on sale, but like they're only available, I think, in an extra small, maybe the largest for some of them. I don't know how an extra small will fit me. I may have to test out the smalls again that I already have and see if I would be okay with an extra small, because I really want more of the traditional track pants, and I'm kind of, I guess, gonna have to be on a hunt to get some of those. So if I think the extra small will fit, I may actually just go back for more extra smalls in the older track pants. But I picked up the amber pair. So 3 items total from Essence, 1 item from fearofgod.com. That was only 4 for this drop. That's a little bit over, I think, only because I said in my mind at first, if I get the Cali, I won't get the cable knit right now, but people cleaned out the cable knit on his website, and that was the one big clothing item I wanted to be able to enjoy, like, you know, as soon as weather breaks, as soon as the weather breaks. So I have those items on the way. Go ahead, again, comment below what you picked up, and if you took some L's, you know, Essence may restock, and if not, I don't think these will have crazy resale on the market. So that's a good thing for you. Other items that I have in that I haven't really gotten to. Lids is always blessing your girl. So I have this brand new hat, and it really gives me fall vibes. So they actually say, feast your eyes on the latest new era in MLB under visor colorway. Leftovers inspired by autumn 80s nostalgia and mom's home cooking. This new arrival is fresh out of the oven, ready to go home with you. Yeah, when you guys take a look at this, listen, it is fall to the max. I absolutely love it. I'm not a pumpkin spice person because I don't even drink coffee, but it is fall to the max. So excited to have this in. The only thing, of course, I won't really be able to wear this in the fall once my hair is straight, because this is my like 7.5 size, and y'all know I got a little head. My hair is when it's straight, yeah, there's like no volume to my hair at all like it is right now. But then I got quite a few other items in. So a Sylvia Fowles jersey, if you don't know, greatest center ever to play for women. I will go down and say that, like, woman is a legend. So Sylvia Fowles retired, picked up her jersey off East Bay. But then some other shirts. So a Sneaker Life, he held a sale for his shirts, and I'd been begging for this this Bugs Bunny shirt to drop for some time. Now you guys know I'm actually selling my Bugs Bunny 8 just because of the sizing, but have these Bugs Bunny shirt by Sneaker Life. I also picked up a Stranger Things shirt. No one should be shocked by this. If you happen to follow me on Twitter at _talkswithtj, I binged like the entire, like all 4 seasons in 1 week's time. And I was live tweeting it the entire time. I was pretty much the entertainment for people that were following me because they were laughing at my experience going through Stranger Things like for the first time ever. But H&M has a really nice Stranger Things collection that just dropped. So I would say, hey, take advantage of that if you're into Stranger Things. And Vans also did a collaboration that just dropped. So if you're a big Vans fan, big Stranger Things fans, you have an option here. This is a size medium. I think it's meant to be oversized. I'm looking at it on like my rack right now. I think it's meant to be oversized, and I still went with the medium. And then also another Warrior shirt. I just feel like we shouldn't judge me right now, but yeah, another Warrior shirt. It was like $13 on Fanatics. They had like a crazy sale one day, or the NBA store. I'm not really sure. They're all pretty much mixed in to one right now, but I got that shirt because it was another sale going on. And then college football is almost here. College football is almost here. So Michigan, maize and blue. I have to wear it. I have to wear all the things. I have to watch all the football. That's just who I am, okay? Saturday mornings, 9 a.m. until late into the night. Don't ask me what I'm doing. You should know what I'm doing, okay? College game day starts 9 a.m. every Saturday morning. I wish it was right now, but I have to wait like a whole nother week, I believe. So I'm gonna be chill, I'm gonna be patient, but I'm grateful for a lot of the things that just touched down. So got the hat, I got the new slide in, got the new tees in, new jersey in. I have my Fear of God items on the way. I'll get that video up for you as soon as possible because I just want to show you guys how I intend to style the coral pieces with tones I already have in my closet. So they're not necessarily wood, not necessarily canary, even though we didn't see those colors drop. That'll probably happen drop 2, and I don't know when drop 2 is. Like, I don't know that right now, but when I know that, I will certainly share it here on the channel. But go ahead, comment below any great pickups you had this week. If you took some L's, don't let it ruin your weekend. Try to get outside, enjoy nice weather, and just enjoy friends and family. I appreciate you guys for always tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.